Chief Tochukwu Obiako has emerged the President General of Ogbunike Progress Union (OPU). Chief Obiako secured 67 votes to defeat his closest rival, Dr. Jeff Modeme, who garnered 28 votes. The election, keenly contested, started with accreditation of delegates before voting commenced.
Chief Honorable Samko Obiako Constance with 67 votes. Dr. Jeff Modeme, 28 votes. Honorable Undersada is 24 votes. Wow. The winner is Chief Honorable.
Others selected include Ogbuefi Vincent Okoye, Vice President General, Chris Nnakuzie Okonkwo, Secretary, Ogbuefi Ugochukwu Ezika, Treasurer, and many other positions.
Do solemnly swear that I shall abide by the Constitution of the Ogbunike Progress Union and also the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in the discharge of my duties, and I will discharge my duties without fear or favor, and in due observance of all the necessary laws, and I shall not use my position to victimize any indigent of Ogbunike, or put any person in any condition of regret, I shall promote unity in Ogbunike, and will ensure that progress comes as a matter of necessity. So help me God.
The chairman electoral committee, Chief Elochukwu Gwacham, who returned the winners, advised them to be magnanimous in victory and to work assiduously for the development of the town.
In every game, we must have a winner and a loser. So those that lose today, they will wait. Soon as another election is coming up. Those that won the election, let them lead our people well. Let them guide us. Let them show us that leadership quality. That's what we are looking for.
The coordinator team Make Ogbunike Great, Dr. Harris Chuma, who monitored the exercise, expressed happiness that the election was peaceful, free, and fair. He advised the new leadership of the town union to hit the ground running in ensuring that Ogbunike is registered among the developed communities in Anambra State.
We are happy that it is quite a successful event. New Ogbunike with Clamor is in the hands of this new crop of leaders we've elected today to ensure that that is no longer business as usual, to ensure that they attract fast-track developments to Ogbunike, that they represent Ogbunike in the committee of communities, that they bring home what belongs to Ogbunike from the state government, from the local government, that they make sure that our people who are not, the Ogbunike in diaspora, that they repatriate their funds home, that they bring their investments home, that they come home to make investments, to help develop this town.
The newly elected President General Chief Obiako, who spoke on behalf of other elected members, said he will reconcile all aggrieved members of the community and enthrone the needed peace for development to thrive.
Peace has been leading us here. Peace. So the first thing I have to do is to make sure that all the captains has to come together. Then we'll make peace amongst ourselves. Because they say united we stand and divided we fall. So we're going to make peace first. And once we make peace, Ogbunike has been a very frontier community along the while, but because of some little internal squabbles, so we're missing a lot of opportunities. So there's nothing I think we are lacking by now, because if by God's willing, we agree on sitting on the table to negotiate our problems and resolve it. I'm betting in the next 1 year, you will see we can turn around immediately.
The election was supervised by representatives of the Anambra State Ministry of Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs. From Ogbunike in Oyi Local Government Area, Uchenna Nwekoyo, NTA News.